Hello students! In this video, we're diving into the world of antonyms. Let's learn together. Antonyms are words that directly contradict one another's meanings. For example, antonyms of the word despair are hope, optimism, assurance, etc. If we substitute a word with its antonyms, the meaning of the phrase will contradict itself. Now, let's learn why we use antonyms. First off, opposites help to be super clear when we talk. Imagine trying to explain something without saying the opposite. Second, opposites make words more exciting. It's like adding a little pop to sentences. Saying things like lavish and modest together makes them stand out. Lastly, learning opposites is like giving the brain a workout. The more opposites you know, the better you can use words. Let's spot a difference between synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same or nearly the same thing. For example, isolation and separation. Whereas antonyms are words with opposite meanings. For example, isolation and inclusion. Now, let's learn antonyms through prefixes. Prefixes are words that you can add to the beginning of a word to change its meaning completely. For example, adding non to fiction turns it into nonfiction. It's like adding a not to the word. But the tricky part is that you can't just add any prefix to any word. It has to make sense. Some words work perfectly with prefixes, but others just don't fit. So, while prefixes are an easy way to create opposites, you need to be careful how you use them. Let's look into a common mistake students make with antonyms. Sometimes, students use antonyms incorrectly. They might think adding a prefix always creates an antonym, but this isn't true. It's also important to spell antonyms correctly to avoid confusion, like the antonym of odor is aroma, not disodor. Now it's your turn to answer. What is an antonym for the word parlance? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.